Okay, is she correct? Yes. This one is the lowercase letter S. Very good. Oh, you have to make the sound for the letter T. What's the sound again? Okay? Okay. Woo! Oh, yeah! Louder, make the sound louder. Okay. Okay. Louder, louder. Make the sound. Where is it again?
P.
What animal is it?
Penguin.
Penguin. And penguin begins with the letter P. What's the sound for the letter P? Say or no, that's not yellow. It's just concentrated.
Blue.
This one is blue. And I also have the color red. Okay. This one I have a, what's this?